Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the tips for getting into crypto. So watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on the tips for getting into crypto. And if you're excited and ready as I am to learn more about these tips, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. New to investing in crypto, here are some tips to get you started. With so much information about crypto investing, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Here are some simple tips to get you started so that you can use anytime and anywhere, and no need for fancy tools. 1. Understand your budget. Any investment comes with a certain amount of risk. The cryptocurrency market is known for being volatile, and it's no different. Make a plan for your money and stick to it. And don't put in too much money, more than you can afford to lose. 2. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, it's safer to invest over time. With a DCA strategy, money is invested over time instead of all at once. Spreading out your investment over time will lower your risk, whether the market is going up or down. In a sense, it evens out with time. 3. Pick winners. Find out what you can. If you don't have time for a deep dive, go to CoinMarketCap, a website that keeps track of the prices of cryptocurrencies. Sort the list of currencies by how valuable they are. There, coins are ranked by their market cap. When a coin's market cap is higher, it means there are more of them in circulation, which makes it a more stable asset to own. 4. HODL. HODL simply stands for Hold On for Dear Life. It started as a typo for hold in a Bitcoin forum in 2013 and is now a common term in the crypto community. It means to keep your cryptocurrency in the hopes that it will go up in value over time. Once you know who the winners are, you should hold on to them. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning the tips for getting into crypto. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.